So the question is, the common difference of AP is, we have to find the common difference of this AP, and we know that how to find the common difference. Common difference can we find out that if we find out the difference between second term and the first term, means second term minus first term equals to common difference. Okay, so let's see the solution. The common difference of the AP, this is the AP, can we find out by finding the difference between the second term and the first term. I have told you in the previous slide, and this is the second term and this is the first term. Okay, now 1 minus p upon p minus 1 upon p equals to net, you solve this fraction. P, the common p1 come here, and 1 minus p minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, minus p upon p, p to p cancel out, minus 1 will be the answer. The common difference is minus 1, so the option C is correct.